Hello guys, welcome to my video. Today I will give you a tutorial on how to use Vlookup formula in Google Spreadsheet. So let's get started. First thing first, what is Vlookup formula? Well, Vlookup is used when you need to find things or value in a table or arranged by row. For example, in this table here it shows us the name of students and their English marks. In this side here, we want to look up a value of English mark for Ben, Zach, Uzella, and Rena. So, you probably think, it's pretty hard to search the name one by one in this table here. But don't worry, let me teach you the easy way. First, in the bar formula, type Vlookup. And in the parentheses, type G3, that is the position for Ben, G and 3. And press comma. Secondly, enter the table array or lookup table, the range data you want to look up. Here is the range data, so you just have to drag it down and it will show it here. Press comma. After that, enter a column index number. As we see here, there are two columns, it is table 1 and table 2. So press 2 and then comma. Lastly, enter lookup value. Either we use true or false. In this case, we use false to search for an exact number. Close the parentheses and then press click. As we see here, Ben's mark in here is the same as in the table. After Ben, we also need to find English mark for Zach, Uzella, and Rena. So you just have to copy down the formula here and paste it here like this. See, it's really easy, right? So that's all for my video. Please like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thank you.